feels just like it.
Does it?
Yep. Sticker even works the same.
Well, of course the stickers are the same. They're stickers. You stop that.
No, I mean the hologram ones.
Oh. Shelob won't share, that's the problem.
Bogart and the drugs.
Yeah, she thinks she owns all of it. She's like rolling in it, or she was. There she is again, rolling again. It's like all up in her fur and stuff. Nermal wants to plant it, but she's afraid to because of Shelob.
Even put together crappy like the old ones. Stickers that are on it, they got bubbles in them. Man, I just can't believe that though.
What?
This toy was $40 when I was a kid.
It's called inflation. Yeah, but it didn't come with a DVD and a comic book then. Come on, Muffin, come play. Come on. Come on. Nermal don't care. Nermal's still here anyway. Come on, Muffins. Come on. Wonder why catnip drives cats batty.
Huh?
I wonder why catnip drives cats batty.
I don't know.
It's just weird because it has no effects on humans of any kind, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They're distinctly boring though. They're just rolling in it and licking it. Alright, I'm out of it. I've lost interest, guys.